You found Amazing Medical. Thanks for watching. I'm Ted, and we have a really scary topic today. Who doesn't enjoy a fun day boating, swimming, or water skiing at the lake? But few people realize that there's a very serious danger lurking in those warm, fresh waters. Brain-eating amoebas. That's right, amoebas that eat your brain tissue. In 2013, a 13-year-old girl was infected with these deadly amoebas after swimming at a water park in Arkansas. She is just one of 3 Americans to become infected with the brain-eating amoebas and survive. The amoeba is known by scientists as the N. fowleri. It lives in warm, fresh waters, like in lakes and ponds, and can infect you if you get the water up your nose. Here's how it works. Water carrying the amoeba goes up your nose. Once inside, the amoeba travel along your olfactory nerve. That's the nerve that allows your sense of smell. The nerve is like a tunnel straight into your brain cavity. Then the amoeba starts feeding on your brain to survive. So let me ask you, now that you know this, will you ever swim or go water skiing in a lake ever again? Tell me in the comments. Anyway, a fascinating case occurred at Walt Disney World, the most famous vacation resort in the world. Disney World once had a themed water park built on a natural lake. It was called River Country. A boy became infected with the brain-eating amoeba after swimming there and later died, causing Disney to shut the water park down. Interestingly, River Country still stands today, long abandoned, slowly being taken over by nature. Here's what it looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and we'll bring you more amazing medical content.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta7. Meta7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta7 today.
I can think better, and all around it's helped me out.
Do you feel shaky, jittery, or anything like that?
No, not at all.
Fantastic.
It made me feel much better physically and actually mentally.
Ever since I started taking it, I have energy throughout the day. I have no problem making it through my runs, energy all night. I'm in a good mood.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.